If we put that pollen in our hands, would the bees come to attract it?
Oh, good question. Maybe not. Probably not, because they're going for the smell.
Okay.
Really, they're there because of the nectar.
Okay.
Which is, so the plant, it needs to live. So in order to live, it needs to reproduce. And so that's what pollination is. So when a plant gets pollinated, it then goes to seed, and then the seed becomes the babies, and then the plant keeps living. But if it doesn't get pollinated, it won't go to seed. So the flower is a way to make a seed to make it live again. It's pretty good, isn't it?
So it's the circle of life, basically.
Exactly. Two things attract the insect: smell. So the flowers have smell, and so they go, oh, I can smell dinner. And the other one is colour. And so they come because of the colour, like a nice show. Over here, over here. It's like advertising, you know? I want your attention. So there's the colour, then there's the smell, and that draws them to get the nectar. But when they get the nectar, they get covered in the pollen. And then when they fly somewhere else, they take the pollen and they pollinate. They're not actually coming to pollinate. They're not saying, oh, my job is to pollinate. It's like, no, my job is to eat nectar and find nectar. But in finding the nectar, imagine this, the plant has designed a way to get pollinated by tricking the insects and saying, I'll give you some food, you just come and dance around, and along the way, you're going to get covered in pollen, and then when you go over here, you're going to leave it there.